Good morning. So to start our day, we're going to review our months of the year. So our first month is January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, now you say it along with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, our days of the week. So let's just say all the days of the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So today is Tuesday. So if today is Tuesday, then that means yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. All right, looking at our calendar, what number is going to come next? Yesterday was the 5th, so today must be the 6th. So today's date is Tuesday, October 6th. All right, so yesterday we were in school for 19 days. So today we have now been in school for 20 days. So let's look at how we're going to do this with our base 10 blocks. So if we've been in school for 20 days, well, how many 10s do I need? What number is in the 10s? That's right, a 2. So I'm going to need 2 10s. And I have a 0 in the 1s. So do I need to put any 1s over here? No, no 1s today. So just the 2 10s represent 20. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.